In a critical situation, every decision starts with two questions: what's happening and where? When teams can't access that information easily, response slows down. But when responders can see those insights directly within their communication platform, everything moves faster and with greater confidence. That's why Singlewire software enables organizations to bring detailed floor plans into their critical communication and incident management workflows via InformaCast. In a single system, organizations can see defined buildings and rooms and place devices like speakers, phones, panic buttons, and cameras. When alerts are activated, staff immediately see the exact location inside a building, providing the context they need to act and eliminating potential confusion that might ensue when only relying on verbal or written messages. For schools using the InformaCast wearable alert badge, this visibility becomes even more powerful. Teachers and staff have confidence knowing their location is automatically shared when they activate their badge. And responders have confidence they'll know exactly who needs help and where, even if someone moves or multiple alerts happen at the same time. And when organizations use standardized maps from providers like CRG, your organization and local first responders can operate from the same visual reference, reducing confusion and accelerating response. Because when teams can see what's happening, they can respond faster and make better decisions when it matters most. Contact our team to learn how your organization can leverage floor plans within InformaCast to improve visibility, coordination, and emergency response.